Raise the pitch, understanding the phrase. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, raise the pitch. This is a common expression in English, often used in various contexts. Whether you're a beginner or advancing in English, understanding such phrases can really help in everyday conversations. Raise the pitch generally refers to increasing the volume or tone of one's voice. It's often used when someone speaks louder or more intensely, usually to emphasize a point or to be heard in noisy environments. However, this phrase can also be metaphorical, meaning to intensify a situation or emotion. Let's look at some examples. 1. In a meeting, during the debate, he had to raise the pitch to be heard over the others. 2. In drama, the actress raised the pitch of her voice to convey her character's anger. 3. Metaphorical use. The negotiations became tense, and both parties raised the pitch of their demands. When you want to use raise the pitch in your conversations, think about whether you're referring to voice or intensity. For instance, I might have to raise the pitch to get their attention. Let's not raise the pitch of this argument. We need a calm discussion. It's important not to confuse raise the pitch with simply speaking faster or changing the topic. Remember, it's about volume, tone, or intensity, not speed or content. And that's raise the pitch for you. We hope this video has helped clarify how and when to use this phrase. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be using it like a native speaker. Until next time, keep learning and have fun with English.